Welcome back. Second video. Okay. Poem, glossary, filth, dirty or ugly, plough, tilts, humble, not proud, toils, work extremely hard, harm, make physical injury. Okay. A and B, homework. Okay, match the rhyming word and filling the blanks. Homework. Answer the questions. I will send the fair copy note. Okay. Next, go to next page. 111. Now we are going to learn the past continuous tense and future continuous tense. First we see the past continuous tense. Okay. Past continuous tense, we use the be form verb was and were. Singular means we use the was. Plural means we use the were. See the singular. I, he, she, it also singular. So we use the be form verb was. Okay. Past continuous nale you add the verb plus ing. So going. Okay. Next, plural. You, we, they, that also plural. We use the be form verb were. Okay, I only used for was. Okay, I also singular, so was. See the, give the correct verb form for following sentences. I was reading the poem. Okay, I. So is the singular. So we use the be form verb was. Read is the verb. Past continuous means you add the verb plus ing. So was reading. I was reading the poem. Second one, they dash the poem. They is the singular or plural ma? Yes, plural. So we use the be form verb were. Were writing. Okay, here write. Okay, that is the present. Here past continuous tense. So were writing the poem. Third one, it dash to Delhi. Verb go. It is the singular. So we use the be form verb was going to Delhi. Fourth one, see dash draw a picture. See also singular. So we use the be form verb was drawing. Okay. Was verb plus ing drawing. B dash eat fruits. We use the plural. So we use the be form verb were eating. Verb plus ing eating. He is the singular. We use the be form verb was watching the movie. You use the plural. So we use the were making lunch. Okay. See the, let us see when to use the past continuous tense at some point in the past. See the examples. I was writing my homework at 5 p.m. yesterday. Okay, நேற்று இனி யாரோ 5 மணிக்கு நான் என்ன செஞ்சிருந்தேன், ஹோம்ஒர்க் எழுதிக்கிட்டு இருந்தேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் parallel action. What was your brother doing then? Reply, when I was writing my homework, he was watching TV. நான் எழுதிக்கிட்டு இருந்த டைம் அவங்க டிவி பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தாங்க. Next, interrupted action in the past. Yes, when I entered his house, his mother was reading newspaper. நான் வந்து ஹோம்க்கு என்ட்ரு ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடியே என்னோட மதர் என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, நியூஸ் பேப்பர் வந்து ரீட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அப்போ அந்த ஆக்ஷன் வந்து ஏற்கனவே நடந்துக்கிட்டு இருந்திருக்கு. ரைட் வாட் தே வேர் டூயிங் அட் 5 o'clock yesterday. ஓகே, 5 o'clock yesterday நேற்று நேரம் என்னென்ன நடந்துச்சு நீங்கள் நம்ம ரைட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஐ dash cricket with my friends. Okay, I is the singular, so we use the was playing. My mother dash TV. Okay, TV என்ன செய்வோம், watch தானே பண்ணுவோம். So my mother is the singular, so was watching. Next, we dash mango. Mango என்ன செய்வோம், eat தானே பண்ணுவோம். Okay, so we is the plural, we use the be form verb eating. Okay, this 3 homework and see and write what they were doing. When I was writing, he was sleeping. This also homework, you do it in your book. Turn the page. Now let us see the future continuous tense. Okay, same. Future continuous tense, we use the auxiliary verb, be form verb will be. Okay, 7 pronoun में we use the be form verb will be. Future continuous tense ல 7 में என்ன செய்யணும், நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா will be தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். We use the will be only. Okay, singular also, plural also, we use the will be only. Give the correct verb form for following sentences. I will be waiting for you. Okay, continuous tense male on verb plus you add the ing. So that is the verb future form. Next, verb continuous tense means you add the ing. They will be coming. It will be playing. She will be swimming. We will be walking. He will be doing. You will be taking leave. Okay, see the future continuous tense. How do you use? I will be traveling in a bus my this time tomorrow. ஓகே, நாளைக்கு நேரம் இந்த பஸ்ஸில் என்ன செய்ய போகிறேன்னா ட்ராவலிங் பண்ண போகிறேன். மை ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வில் பி பிளேயிங் பட் ஐ ஆம் ஒர்க்கிங் ஹியர். ஓகே, மை ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வில் பி பிளேயிங் பட் ஐ ஆம் ஒர்க்கிங் ஹியர். Uma family is going on a holiday. Write what they will be doing there. Okay, உமா ஃபேமிலி வந்து இங்கே ஒரு ஹாலிடே ட்ரிப்புக்கு போகிறாங்க. அங்கே அவங்க என்னென்ன செய்கிறாங்கன்றத இங்கே ஒரு இமேஜில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. See the first one, உமா என்ன செய்கிறாங்க? எஸ், will be playing water games. Okay, you add the will be. எல்லா will be ஃப்யூச்சரில் தான் எழுத சொல்லியிருக்காங்கம்மா. ஃப்யூச்சர்னால நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? will be. Will be playing water games. Next, second one, her brother. See there, her brother will be visiting the exhibition. Next, third one, her sister will be playing hopping or climbing. Okay, அவங்க வந்து ஏறுறாங்கள, ஒரு ரோப்பை பிடிச்சி ஏறுறாங்கள, ஸோ climbing. Okay, will be climbing. Next, father, her father will be playing the keyboard. அவங்க வந்து கீபோர்ட் வந்து ப்ளே பண்ணுறாங்கள, will be playing keyboard. Next வந்து mother. Okay, her mother will be fishing. அவங்க வந்து fish பிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்கல்ல. Next sixth one, her brother will be taking photograph. அவங்க வந்து ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்கிறதுக்காண்டி ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, see that here having the two exercise. First one, change the sentence from past continuous to future continuous tense. Here having the past continuous tense, you change into future continuous tense. See that was waiting. Okay, that is the past continuous tense. You removed. Okay, how to write? She will be waiting for bus. Was மட்டும் you remove பண்ணிட்டு you replace பண்ணிட்டு you write the will be waiting for bus. Okay, second one, they removed the were. Okay, you write the will be. They will be going to Coimbatore. Okay, this also homework, you write it in your book. Next, change the sentences from future continuous to past continuous. Okay, here having the will be, okay, that also future continuous tense, you change into past continuous tense. Past nale singular means you use the was, plural means we use the were. Okay, here see the will be, remove it. I is the singular, so what do you write it? Yes, was. I was speaking to her. Okay, this also homework, you do it in your book. Thank you children.